In front of me is OnePlus 5T, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy. Then tap on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's options that you wish to manage. Following that, tap on one of your apps and apply the best option for you. Allow only while using the app or deny. I want to set up the first one, so when I tap and go back, icons that calendar just gained access to my device's location if I'm using this app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!